AMLKYC solution providers versus internal compliance departments. Which one is better for financial institutions? Most banks and fintechs assume their internal compliance teams are enough to manage AML and KYC obligations. The surprising truth is that specialized AMLKYC solution providers often outperform internal departments in speed, accuracy, and regulatory alignment. Internal compliance teams handle customer due diligence, transaction monitoring, and suspicious activity reporting. They know the institution's risk profile and can make nuanced decisions. However, when dealing with thousands of new accounts or millions of transactions, manual review and create bottlenecks, slow onboarding, and increase the risk of errors or missed alerts. AMLKYC solution providers leverage automation and extensive data sources to screen customers, verify identities, and monitor transactions continuously. These systems can flag suspicious activity in real time, provide audit-ready reports, and scale effortlessly with business growth. For example, a neobank onboarding tens of thousands of users each month can reduce onboarding time from days to minutes while maintaining regulatory compliance. Providers also continuously update their systems to reflect global regulatory changes, reducing the burden on internal teams. The key difference is efficiency and scalability versus institutional knowledge and judgment. Internal teams provide context and risk assessment, while AMLKYC providers handle high-volume, data-intensive tasks accurately and quickly. Many financial institutions combine both approaches. Providers manage automated screening and monitoring, while internal compliance focuses on decision-making, investigations, and regulatory reporting. The takeaway is clear. For financial institutions, leveraging AMLKYC solution providers ensures faster, more reliable compliance, reduces operational costs, and allows internal teams to focus on high-value regulatory work. The surprising truth is that technology doesn't replace human compliance. It empowers teams to act smarter, faster, and with greater confidence.